Hi, I'm Idowu David for Idowu Culture and Wears. Today we are going to be sewing palazzo pants. Please like and subscribe to our channel in order to be notified as soon as we upload new videos. Thank you. And these are the measurements we are going to be using for our palazzo pants. Our waist, which is from here to here across, is 32 inches. Our hip, measurement around the hip, is 37 inches. Our crotch from this to this spot is 10 inches. That is the depth of our crotch is 10 inches. Our trouser length from this up to this is 42 inches. Our trouser mouth, the wideness of this mouth is 26 inches. Then our lap, from this lap, measurement across the lap is 26 inches. For the fabric, we calculate our lap. Our lap is 24 inches. We are dividing the lap by 2. That is 12 inches. Then we had 1 inch sewing allowance. That is 13 inches. Instead of folding 13 inches, I'm folding 14 inches out. This 14 inches folding this way. Then the first line at the top here is for my band, which is I'm using 3 inches band. Then after the band, I will take my crotch measurement, which is 10 inches. This line is for the crotch measurement. But the crotch line, I'm measuring my hip. Our hip is 37 inches. If I divide 37 by 5, I have 9.25, approximately 9.5 inches. I will mark it out. This is 9.5 inches. Then I'm putting 1 inch sewing allowance. Then the same thing, I will transfer the same measurement to the waist area. This is 9.5. Then I'm putting 1 inch sewing allowance. Then I'm using the ruler to connect this second point, the one with allowance. Then the next thing now, I need to take my lap measurement. My lap measurement is 12, that is 24 divided by 2. This is 12 inches. Then I'm adding 1 inch sewing allowance to that one. On this hip line, I will take it up by 2.5 inches. This way. Then from my measurement here, lap measurement, I'm connecting to this point, which it goes up straight to this. This is my band. Now from this lap here, I'm taking the line down straight. It will be a straight line down because we are using the same measurement for the lap for the trouser mount. Our trouser mount also will be 24 inches since it's palazzo. Now the next thing now is that I'm trimming this out, which I will use it to cut the second part of exactly the same thing, the second leg of the trouser, but it will be exactly. Now we are using the one we cut out to cut another one of the same type, which is this. We just shape it out. Then how we are going to couple it together now is that from here, from this our crunch area, we take our normal ½ inch sewing allowance or 1 inch to down. Then we do the same thing for the second one. Then we open it here. We open it out. We use the second one to mirror it. Then we start sewing from this space, from the band area round. Then the next thing that we put 3 inches for our band, we sew it round. Then we cut elastic according to our waist. Our own waist here we have 32 inches, but now instead of cutting 32 inches, I'm cutting elastic of 28 inches out for you to be able to fix at the bottom. Now this 28 inches elastic, I will just put it inside and hold the mouth. Then for the trouser mouth here, I will fold our 2 inches folding allowance. That is all. Congratulations. You just finished sewing your palazzo trouser, palazzo pants. See you in the next video. Thank you.